Lost important videos on your IQOO phone? Whether it's accidental deletion, system glitches, or app crashes, don't worry. In this video, we'll show you 4 quick ways to recover deleted videos, with or without a backup. Way 1. How to recover deleted videos on IQOO from recently deleted. Open the gallery on your IQOO 11-10-987, go to Albums Recently Deleted or Trash, find and select the videos. Tap Restore to recover them. Way 2. How to restore deleted photos in IQOO using Google Photos. Install Google Photos if you haven't already. Open it and tap Library Trash. Find the deleted videos kept for 30 days. Select and tap Restore to recover. Way 3. How to recover permanently deleted videos from Vivo IQOO via Google Drive. Open Google Drive or visit Drive. Google.com, sign in with the backup account. Search for your videos, MP4 or keywords, select them, tap the 3 dots, and choose Download. Way 4. How to recover deleted videos on IQOO without backup. In the absence of a backup in Google Drive or Google Photos, and if you are unable to locate your desired videos in the recently deleted folder, you may want to explore a more adaptable approach by utilizing Mobikin Doctor for Android. Step 1. Install software. Start by downloading and installing the Android recovery software on your computer. Once the installation is finished, open the program and connect your device to the computer using a USB cable. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow the software to detect your phone. Step 2. Scan IQOO. After your device is recognized, navigate to the section where you can choose videos and then click Next. If you cannot find the video clips you are looking for, consider rooting your phone according to the instructions provided in the interface for a more comprehensive scan. Step 3. Recover videos. After the scanning process is complete, a list of all available and deleted videos will appear on the program interface. Take the time to review the items and select the ones you wish to recover. Finally, click Recover to save the chosen videos to your computer.